Welcome friends. So this video is for introducing you to the MOOC which will be offered very soon. The title for this MOOC course will be Peer-to-Peer Networks, and my introduction is I am Yatindra Nath Singh, YN Singh, and I am a professor in electrical engineering of IIT Kanpur, and I will be mentoring you all in this particular course. The purpose of this course will be to explore the distributed network system, which are going to be potential alternative to the client-server architecture. Basically, I will be talking about algorithms by which the user machines can cooperate together and do all the same functioning which you do now by accessing the servers through your browser or through your clients. So the challenge here is actually to build up good distributed algorithms which are stable, and the cooperation between the nodes when the nodes are joining in the network and they are leaving, and still to build up the resiliency. A simple example, like you want to share a file, so when you are not there, still file should be available to others. How it has to be done through cooperation between the user nodes. So we will be exploring these and many other things, and such systems are already available in the world. Some of the examples are Skype, which was a peer-to-peer system. It was used for basically telephony, call, voice over IP telephony setup. So two endpoints can talk to each other. So we had DC++, which has been used in a lot of campuses for sharing the content. Napster was a movie sharing, song sharing site, and then we have actually even more use of similar algorithms or peer-to-peer networks in anonymous routing to basically get away from the surveillance of the governments or the law enforcing agencies. So it has found many use, so I think I will also discuss about them. So these include Tor, Invisible Internet Protocol, Freenet. Why I got interested is because I was working on Brihaspati 3 and then got interested into Brihaspati 4, which have a possibility to build up a massively scalable learning management system, and all other functionalities can be built in. So that's how I got interested and explored this area for last few years. And in fact, now I have also been involved in developing the software for this, so which is available. The source code is available on GitHub. You also can simultaneously contribute after going through this course. The course will be running for 8 weeks, so 2 months, and roughly 20 hours worth of lecture recordings will be shared with you, and you will be given some assignments every week, some questions based on my lectures, and you will also have an exam. So you have an option to choose the exams and get a certificate also for this course. This will be very useful if you are looking for jobs, because ultimately one day the client servers have to go away, and you will end up in building massively scalable software systems. The backend or the basic fundamental will be what is going to be covered in this course. So with that, welcome to the course, and then we will see you from July onward when the course will be offered. And I will also be maintaining a Telegram channel for broadcasting all my lecture notes, as well as putting up a Brihaspati 3 installation. All the notes will be put up there, and we will also be having some sessions where you can actually interact with me uh, over a live streaming system. So I hope you will actually get to learn a lot from this. So see you in July.